Okay, this is the Balm of Gilead Manuka Defense Healing Lip Balm, okay? It comes in a no-nonsense tube and immediately feels more like treatment than chapstick. Think first aid, but make it chic. Why I like these? The grass-fed tallow, the Manuka oil, the beeswax, the lanolin combo actually seals in moisture instead of playing the rehydrate me every 12 seconds game, okay? The peppermint, the tea tree, the eucalyptus gives it a cool, clean feel that is soothing. It is not aggressive. It goes on smooth. It is not glossy. It is not sticky. And it stays put through dry air, cold weather, excessive talking like me. Why I like these? This is built for severely chapped, cracked, or sensitive lips, okay? Not just cosmetic hydration. This formula, it skips the petroleum. It skips the synthetic fibers, which really matters if your lips react easily and never quite heal, okay? This works well as an overnight repair balm, and it doesn't disappear by morning, which already puts it ahead of most of the lip balm aisle. Bottom line, okay? This is not a cute flavor in your coat pocket balm. It's a serious lip recovery product that behaves accordingly. It is strong, it is effective, and it is refreshingly honest and clean. The opinions in this review are mine based on real testing and use. The product was provided by the brand.